Is your HVAC system acting up, cycling on and off, blowing warm air instead of cold, or not turning on at all? While it might seem like a mechanical issue, the real culprit could be your home's electrical system. At Anthem, we specialize in electrical troubleshooting for HVAC systems, finding and fixing the electrical problems that can disrupt your system's operation and leave you uncomfortable when you need it most. Your HVAC system relies on a complex electrical network to keep everything running smoothly. When that network is compromised, whether by faulty wiring, overloaded circuits, or tripped breakers, it can lead to inconsistent performance, frequent shutdowns, or even complete system failure. The challenge is that electrical issues can be tricky to diagnose without the right expertise. A problem as small as a loose connection can prevent your entire system from functioning properly, and ignoring it can lead to expensive repairs down the road. Our team at Anthem uses advanced diagnostic tools to assess the electrical components that power your HVAC system, from the thermostat to the circuit board. We don't just patch the problem, we get to the root of it, whether it's a malfunctioning relay, a short circuit, or an issue with your system's power supply. And when we troubleshoot, we explain everything in simple terms, giving you transparent recommendations so you can make informed decisions. If your HVAC system isn't working as it should, or if you're noticing strange sounds, sudden shutoffs, or higher energy bills, it's time to stop guessing and call the experts. Electrical issues can be the hidden cause of bigger problems, but they don't have to be. Anthem's skilled technicians will ensure your system is running efficiently and safely, so you can stay cool in the summer, warm in the winter, and stress-free year-round. Don't wait until a small glitch turns into a major breakdown. Call Anthem today and experience the comfort of a home powered by expert care.